Hello dear students, today we learn how to use a function generator, which is a very important instrument in our electronics lab. It's used to generate electrical waveforms like sine waves, square waves and triangular waves. We use it to test and analyze circuits by giving them input signals. Let's begin with the basics and then go step by step. A function generator is an electronic device that produces different types of waveforms at various frequencies and amplitudes. The most common waveforms are sine wave, a smooth waveform, square wave, that is on-off digital waveform, and triangular wave, that is linear rise and fall. We connect the output of a function generator to our circuit and it behaves like an input signal source for testing. Let's now look at the front panel of a typical function generator. You will find waveform selection buttons or knob, this one to select sine, square or triangular wave. Then frequency controls, these three are frequency control knob to set how fast the waveform repeats, that is in hertz range or kilohertz or maybe up to certain megahertz range. And amplitude or level control using this knob to adjust the output voltage level. And here is a DC offset control, adds a DC shift to the signal if required. And the output terminal, this one, the output terminal where we connect the probe or BNC cable, this cable to the circuit. Okay, and there is a display screen to show the current settings. Let's now learn how to use a function generator in easy steps. Switch on the function generator, this knob, and wait for the display to active. Here you can see in display. Okay, it is now ready. And here select the waveform using the waveform selector. Here you can see the FUNC, that is function, which kind of function it will be. This is the triangular wave, TRI means. And if I press this is the square wave. For the square wave it will now generating the square wave. And this is for DC function, and this is for sine wave, you can see. And also you can see the frequencies here. What frequency is seeing, you can see 3420 hertz, that's mean 3.4 kilohertz. And we can change the frequency using this knob. You can see I am decreasing the frequency, and in this way using this knob I can increase the frequency. And you can see I can increase it up to 3473 hertz. If I need more frequency, then I will use this range. This is for decreasing the range and this is for increasing the range. Okay, you can see more knobs are here for attenuating the signal. This is 20, I can attenuate it 20 dB, and if I press both the 20 dB, that's mean I can attenuate the signal to 40 dB. Okay, and this is the output section. I have already told it. Okay, and this is for the amplitude. This is the amplitude knob to adjust the amplitude of the signal in this way. Okay, now I will show you the signal in a CRO. So for that I am connecting the output with a CRO. Please wait. Typically two types of probes you will see in your lab, but both have one side is a BNC connector and the other end it will be like this. The black one, this one is for ground, and this one you have to connect it to the signal. And another one, both have the crocodile clip. This red one is for signal and the black one is for ground. Now you can see here is the connection. I connect the output of the function generator to the CRO. I am using the channel 1 here, and you can see how the waveform looks like. Okay, I'm using the channel 1, and now you can see the signal. Okay, 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 you can see the signal. Okay, okay, now you can see the signal. I set it to the sine wave, and if I change it to the triangular wave, it looks like this. And if I change again, this is the square wave, and if I press again it will get the DC signal. You can see the straight line here. And now I am set it to the, again, suppose I set it to a triangular wave. Okay, triangular wave. Now if I change the frequency, you can see the frequency is increasing, and if I decrease it, you can see the change. And if I change the amplitude, you can see the amplitude is changing here. Okay, so it is really very simple. That's how you generate and verify a test signal using a function generator. And here are a few mistakes students often make, that forgetting to connect ground properly, setting the frequency too high or too low by mistake, applying too high voltage to sensitive circuit, ignoring waveform type while testing specific circuit. Okay, that's it. You have learned how to use a function generator step by step. Practice this a few times and you will feel confident while using it in the lab experiment. If Thank you for watching and keep learning.